You're in the midst of a whirlwind of crypto market fluctuations, feeling the rush of excitement and the twinge of anxiety with each tick of the chart. This is where mindfulness steps in like your trusty co-pilot. At its core, mindfulness is all about being in the here and now, fully aware and engaged in the present moment. But how does that relate to trading, you ask? Think of mindfulness as your mental armor against the emotional rollercoaster of trading. We've all been there. A sudden price drop triggers panic, or a soaring asset sparks visions of luxury. By practicing mindfulness techniques like meditation or simple breathing exercises, you're not just staying calm. You're staying laser-focused, able to see through the market noise and make rational decisions when it counts the most. Welcome to the Mindful Motivation Station, your ultimate destination for harnessing the power of mindfulness in every aspect of your life, including the exhilarating world of cryptocurrency trading. Join us as we embark on a transformative journey, delving into the art of mindfulness and its profound impact on the crypto trading landscape. Guided by experts and seasoned traders, we'll unravel the secrets of staying composed, focused, and emotionally resilient in the face of market twists and turns. Remember, it's not just about trading. It's about trading with purpose, presence, and power. Welcome aboard. Now let's talk about a magical word: detachment. No, we're not suggesting that you disconnect from the market. Quite the opposite, actually. Mindfulness teaches us to detach from the emotional grip of each trade's outcome. Instead of obsessing over the profits or losses, you're channeling your energy into the process itself. This shift in perspective can mean the difference between acting on impulse and making well-thought-out moves. And guess what? Mindfulness doesn't just level up your emotional game. It's a mental hack for peak performance. Imagine having a clutter-free mental canvas to analyze market trends objectively. With mindfulness, you're not just trading. You're decoding the market's hidden signals, spotting opportunities others might miss, and making strategic moves with unmatched clarity. But wait, there's more. Mindfulness equips you with the ultimate survival kit for those inevitable market setbacks. Instead of drowning in frustration or regret, you're embracing losses as stepping stones to success. Talk about resilience. Mindfulness empowers you to bounce back stronger, smarter, and more determined than ever. In a nutshell, mastering mindfulness isn't just about trading. It's a life-enhancing skill that'll elevate your overall well-being in this fast-paced crypto universe. In this exhilarating landscape, maintaining unwavering motivation is key to achieving the success and riding the waves of volatility. Maintaining unwavering motivation is key to achieving success and riding the waves of volatility. Embrace the long game. In this unpredictable world of cryptocurrency trading, it's easy to be enticed by the allure of quick gains from short-term trading. However, sustaining motivation requires a broader perspective. Instead of fixating solely on immediate profits, shift your focus towards understanding the long-term potential of your investments. Consider how blockchain technology has the power to revolutionize industries worldwide. By keeping this transformative impact in mind, you anchor your motivation in a bigger purpose, allowing you to weather market fluctuations with a steadfast determination driven by the long-term goals you've set for yourself. Knowledge is power. The cryptocurrency market is a dynamic and rapidly evolving landscape. Staying motivated and confident in your trading decisions hinges on being well-informed. Make it a priority to stay updated on the latest trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes within the crypto space. Engage in continuous learning through reputable sources, online communities, and insights from experts. As your knowledge deepens, you'll not only gain confidence but also the motivation to make informed and strategic trading choices rather than relying on guesswork. Set realistic goals. Motivation thrives on accomplishments, both big and small. Setting achievable goals is a cornerstone of maintaining your drive in the crypto market. Establish clear, specific, and measurable objectives for your trading journey. Break down larger goals into manageable milestones, and celebrate each achievement along the way. This sense of progress not only fuels your motivation, but also instills a sense of purpose and determination, propelling you forward in your crypto trading endeavors. Mind your mindset. The crypto market is notorious for triggering strong emotions such as fear, greed, and doubt. Cultivating a resilient mindset is essential for maintaining motivation amidst these emotional challenges. Incorporate mindfulness techniques into your routine, such as meditation, visualization, and positive affirmations. These practices help you manage stress, remain focused, and stay grounded when faced with market turbulence. By mastering your emotions, you're better equipped to make rational decisions and prevent emotional-driven actions that can lead to trading regrets. Diversify your portfolio. While the temptation to go all in on a single high-risk, high-reward investment might be strong, diversification offers a powerful strategy for sustaining motivation. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce the risk of significant losses from a single market downturn. This diversified approach ensures that even if one investment falters, your overall portfolio remains resilient. This stability safeguards your motivation from being eroded by drastic market swings. Community matters. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community of fellow crypto enthusiasts can have a profound impact on your motivation. Engage in online forums, social media groups, and networking events to connect with like-minded individuals. Moreover, interacting with a diverse community can provide fresh perspectives on market trends and trading strategies, expanding your knowledge and reinforcing your determination. Take breaks. The fast-paced nature of the crypto market can lead to burnout and diminished motivation. Grant yourself permission to step away from constant market monitoring. Engage in activities outside of crypto that bring you joy and allow you to recharge. Spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing can rejuvenate your energy. Returning to the market with a refreshed mindset can reignite your motivation, helping you approach trading with renewed enthusiasm and clarity. Reflect and adjust. Regularly assessing your trading strategies and results is a fundamental aspect of maintaining motivation. Embrace both successes and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Reflect on your decisions, identify areas for improvement, and be open to adjusting your approach accordingly. This proactive mindset ensures that setbacks are channeled into valuable lessons, allowing you to continuously refine your trading strategies. By consistently adapting and evolving, you preserve your motivation by viewing challenges as stepping stones towards greater success. The key lies in embracing a comprehensive strategy that harmoniously intertwines knowledge, mindset, community, and self-care. Equip yourself with knowledge, staying attuned to the latest developments and trends that shape the crypto world. This intellectual foundation empowers you to make informed decisions, bolstering your confidence and motivation in the face of uncertainty. However, remember that amid the fast-paced world of trading, self-care is equally paramount. Allow yourself to recharge by taking breaks, engaging in activities you love, and nurturing your well-being. This replenishment rekindles your enthusiasm, preventing burnout and infusing your trading journey with renewed energy. So as you prepare to embark on your crypto trading expedition, remember that a holistic approach is your compass. Align your knowledge, mindset, community engagement, and self-care practices to create a robust foundation that propels you forward. With this dynamic blend at your side, you're primed to embrace the exhilarating challenges and boundless opportunities the crypto market presents. Gear up, stay motivated, and embark on this thrilling journey with unwavering resolve. As we conclude this insightful journey through the world of cryptocurrency trading, remember that at the Mindful Motivation Station, we are your steadfast companion on the path to success. You are now ready to navigate the ever-changing tides of the market with your newfound knowledge, mindset, community, and self-care. Join our community of like-minded traders and enthusiasts who understand the power of mindfulness in achieving lasting success. Don't miss out on our future videos packed with expert insights, practical strategies, and inspiring stories that fuel your motivation and elevate your trading game. Subscribe to the Mindful Motivation Station and embark on this thrilling adventure with us. Until next time, stay mindful, stay motivated, and embrace the exciting challenges and opportunities that await in the realm of crypto trading.